Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new child or new kid's profile account on your Prime Video account. So what you want to do once you're inside Amazon Prime or Prime Videos, guys, you just want to simple go to your profile in the upper right hand side, and here you will find multiple options, but you'll find the profile section. Just simple click on manage profile, or you can click on add profile. So whichever option you choose, just simple click on that and you will be able to add a new account. So here's one kid account or child account already, but if you want to add a new one, let's say you want to add it for your son, you can simply click on add new, and you want to give it a name. So let's say my son name is Robbie, for example. I can call it Robbie, and I can just simply turn on this feature that says kids profile. Turn that. You can always modify their profile picture or something like that. Yeah, you can basically make it whatever you want. Choose that and simple click on save changes, and that's going to create a new profile. And that's, as you can see, it's called Robbie, and this is basically a kids profile, but that's basically it. Very easy and very simple.